Hello everyone, I am Vishnu Adithyan. I am currently pursuing third year Computer Science Department at SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to see about unsupervised learning in the topic which artificial intelligence. First of all, what is meant by unsupervised learning? It is also known as unsupervised machine learning, uses machine learning algorithms to analyze and cluster unavailable datasets. These algorithms discover hidden patterns or data groupings without the need for human interventions. As you can see in this diagram, the input raw data is given and the interpretation, which is nothing but the unknown output. We need unknown output, and the training data is not given by the humans, and the algorithms from the algorithms which is used by machines, and it processes and it gives the output. Next, there are two types of unsupervised machine learning algorithm. First of all, clustering, and second one is association. First of all, we are going to see about what is meant by clustering. Clustering is a method of grouping the objects into clusters, such that the objects with most similarities remains into a group and has less or no similarities with the objects of another group. Clustering is the separation of the clustering is the separation of groups. I mean, if the input data is given and it separates the input data and it stores the input data in the form of group, which is called clustering. Next one, association. An association rule is an unsupervised learning method which is used for finding the relationship between variables in the large database. It determines the set of items that occurs together in dataset. Association is nothing but finding the difference between or the relationship between variables in large database. There are mainly 5 to 6 mainly used algorithms in unsupervised machine learning. First of all, K means clustering, KNN, hierarchical clustering, anomaly detection, and neural networks. Advantages of unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is used for more complex tasks as compared to supervised learning, because in unsupervised learning we don't have labeled input data. Unsupervised learning is preferable and it's easy to get unlabeled data in comparison to labeled data. Disadvantages of unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is intrinsically more difficult than supervised learning as it does not have corresponding output. The result of the unsupervised learning algorithm might be less accurate as input data is not labeled and algorithms do not know the exact output in advance. Next, why AI and DS and its importance. In our day-to-day life, artificial intelligence plays a major role. It is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence, but AI does not have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observable. Achieving the end requires three key components: computational systems, data and data management, advanced AI algorithms. Today, the amount of data that is generated by both humans and machines far outpaces humans' ability to observe, interpret, and make complex decisions based on the data. Artificial intelligence forms the basis for all computer learning and is the future of all complex decision making. Artificial is nothing but the simulation of human intelligence through machines, especially in computer systems. It is mostly used in expert system and many and speech recognition and etc. Application of ES. In this diagram, you can see that the application of AI and ES. AI is used in many fields in our day-to-day life, like finance, data security, social media, robotics, and etc. and etc. Next, application of AI and ES related to the unsupervised learning. Although unsupervised learning is an learning algorithm, artificial intelligence also used in unsupervised learning. First of all, news sections. Google News uses unsupervised learning to categorize articles on the same story from various online news outlets. For example, the results of a presidential election could be categorized under the label for US news. Next, computer vision. Unsupervised learning algorithms are used for visual perception tasks such as object recognition. Next one, medical imaging. Unsupervised machine learning provides essential features to medical imaging devices such as image detection, classification, and segmentation used in radiology and pathology to diagnose patients quickly and accurately. Next one, anomaly detection. Unsupervised learning models can comb through large amounts of data and discover atypical data points within a dataset. These anomalies can raise awareness around faulty equipment, human error, or breaches in security. Next, thank you.